How would you like it if you could get access to an all-in-one studio where you can basically create all of your designs? Well, that's what we're going to discuss today. I'm here with my good friends Firas here in the middle and Rahul Gupta, who's the developer of a brand new software. And first of all, welcome guys. Good to have you here.
Thank you for having us, Tim.
Yes, awesome. So yeah, to kick things off, Firas, you're going to launch a brand new product tomorrow. And by the way, if you're seeing this video, you will be able to join a pre-launch webinar where you can get early access and the best price for this product. And we're going to discuss it today. We're going to do a demo. But Firas, can you tell us a little bit more about the product? What is it? What does it do? How did you guys came up with the idea, etc.?
Well, basically, we needed a lot of the images and imaging, designs for our, sales pages, etc. And we had dealt with some designers where they didn't actually deliver the designs that we need. So Rahul actually came up with the idea of creating that software 6 months ago. He had already built up code from, because we have other products. And we elaborated on this could be a really good product for us, for our customers, and for the market too. So yeah, that's how it came about. And I was moving to Canada, so it took time for us to actually release the product. And that's why we're releasing tomorrow at 10 a.m., 7th October. But yeah, the product actually does a lot of stuff, like
Yeah,
a lot of
explain
great.
what does it do?
So for example, yesterday I gave her a prompt. I was like, listen, create me an image of two like luxury car brands made by Mansouri, parked in front of the Burj Al Arab, and looks like 2090. So it created this sick. Honestly, I couldn't believe the output. To be honest with you, it was a really sick ass image of these two Mansouri cars in front of Burj Al Arab. It was, like futuristic too. Like it's
Hmm.
like Burj Al Arab was built up in 2090 to something different. It was really cool. There's assistance as well, so where you can upload, for example, this cup right here, and you would tell that you would give a prompt like, say, take this cup and make a blondie, for example, holding this, wearing blah blah blah, and it would actually take this cup out of my hand, put it in someone else's hand,
Mm.
and make you a product showcase, for example. There's a lot of tools that Rahul is going to show you in a bit in the demo, and that's where people realize how powerful it is, and especially
Yeah.
by coming to the webinar tomorrow with Raheem. I'll be with Raheem, so we're gonna discuss how they're gonna make money out of it and how
Mhm.
they can actually build up a team and an agency to sell this and automate this business.
Mm, mm. Yeah, because
Yep.
you're talking about creating images, but like there are many image creators out there. But what I think is special about this tool is that it's not just an image tool where you can create an image like one image or you tell and describe an image, because we have a lot of those tools out there.
Right.
It does a lot more than just creating images, right? Rahul, can you tell a little bit more about that and then just dive into the demo? Like it's not just one image creator tool, right?
No.
Rahul?
Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Rahul is just in his screens
Okay,
preparing
perfect.
the demo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yes, Tim, thank you so much for inviting us on the interview. So, as you know already, we released two tools this year. One for the workforce AI, which was more about, using textual models. So we actually implemented all the textual models, and then we created ClipsMate, which was completely a video focused tool.
Mhm.
So we used all these tools, and our customers have used these tools over the entire year. And then they started asking, why don't you guys come up with an image centric tool that is, solving all the problems from the graphics industry? So we actually came up with this idea from the customer request itself, right?
Mhm.
So Flaxxa Studio is not just generating images, but it is actually solving all the different types of, prompt related problems of the people.
Mhm.
So let's say you are into graphic design industry, or you are a graphic designer, logo creator, or a social media advertising agency. Whatever is your use case, we try to solve each and every use case into this. Whether you are an
Mm.
artist, or you want to use, smart AI is assistants that are related to images, or you are from the t-shirt design industry. So this project is huge. So we created this project to solve, most of the problems that the design industry faces, and we try to kept it very simple. And what this tool actually does is it actually turns all the simple prompts, like 2 3 words prompts, into expert crafted prompts, and that gives you the great results and the outputs.
Shall we show them a demo of what it does?
Sure, sure, sure. So can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So as you can see here, this is the dashboard, and the dashboard has lots of tools. To be exact, we have around 75 products to be here. So that's why we have created this, a search box here on the dashboard, so you can search for any tool. So let's say you want to you want to search for photorealism, right? So you can just type anything here and you can go inside the tool, right? So this is an additional area where you can find the tools easily. And before you start using this tool, you have to understand the structure first. So this is my designs, where all the designs from the generated tools will go. And before starting that, you have to create the project, right? So you go on create project and you click on add project from here, and then the project will be auto selected from here. So
Okay.
what we have done here is segregating all the different assets that you create into different projects, right? So you can work simultaneously at the same time on different projects, and you don't have to mix up your data, right? So let's quickly go back here to generate photorealism. Okay, so let's imagine some simple character over here. Imagine a person in the jungle with natural expressions of hunting, something like that, very easy. Okay, and here you can put up different folders structures if you want, and you can also select the different quantities, choose the fast and high quality speed, and if the sizes are available, we also show you the sizes and the aspect ratio based on the tool. Okay, and then you have below every tool you have some different set of options. So if you are an advanced user and you want to choose these options out, it's fine. But even if you don't choose this option, it will still work very good. Okay. So just like any tool, we have everywhere this prompt enhancer. So let's say
Yeah.
I want to enhance this prompt. So what
Yeah,
it will
this is a
do,
very
it
cool
will
feature.
automatically, yeah. So this is like I turned a one-liner into a nice detailed prompt, right? Now I'm
Nice.
gonna hit on generate image, and we'll wait for the output on how it will generate such a nice output for us, right? And you can also work simultaneously in the meantime on other things while this thing gets processed. Do you see? So
Yeah, nice.
this is such a nice image generated, and the this output tells you what tools you used and what kind of things you did. Okay. So now next is the Nano Banana Gemini, which is very famous because of its trendy posts and different types of abilities, right? So we have a news covering over here in India that it's a very emotional story. I will just take 30 seconds to explain that. So there was a boy, 15 years, and he lost his father very early. And what he did with this Nano Banana Gemini, he generated his pictures with his father in the older times when he lost him. So that story was covered by the news channels, and it was very inspiring story that how somebody can generate and make the good use of this AI powers, and be in with the people that they lost, right? So this Nano Banana, it has many different trends. Okay, so for example, there are many different trends here. I'm gonna pick one where I can also show you the text related things. So let's say I'm choosing this reference image, and what this does is it actually automatically pulls up a prompt here that is
Okay.
going to work for you. Now in the image section, you can pick up your own image. Let's say I'm going to select one image of me, and that's my reference image. Now I'm going to write my name over here and probably my Facebook ID. Okay. Then select the size, or I can also select from my library of generated things. So if I have generated these things earlier, I can go there and pick up from any of my previous outputs and click on generate image. And the tool started designing this. So
Nice. And you
yeah,
just chose one out of a library at the right side, but you can also upload your own image, right? If you want to create a
exactly.
similar image that you find online, you can take that image.
Yes. And now look at the output that
Oh, nice. That looks
is
cool.
exactly me.
Hmm.
It has the perfect text that I entered, that we also say on our sales page that our AI
Wow,
generates perfect
that's
text.
cool.
Yeah, and it's my AI mockup creator. Yeah.
Nice.
So yeah. So we have all these tools structured like this. If you want to design some logos or you want to design some social media posts, let me see. When I and Firas was recording the demo, we took approximately 45 minutes to actually do the entire demo for the first time, right? So we can't obviously cover everything over here, but we will show you some of the tools so
Okay.
people can get a fair idea.
Can,
And
can you
all
zoom?
these
Can you
tools,
zoom a little bit in, Rahul? Can you zoom in a little bit so that we can see the tools at the left side? Is that possible?
yes,
The
sure.
plus sign. Yeah, it
So
becomes a
that's Art
little bit better.
Creator.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, Art
perfect.
Creator. Yeah, all these tools are here. So let's design a new logo where I will just say company name and let's say the road project, something like that. And here I can select, uh, construction and highways. Maybe use a style which is, let's say, modern and something like that. And I can select a few other options from here. Maybe the font style is sans serif and logo style is, let's say, letter marks. So click on generate logo and you will see that how easy it is to, generate fantastic logos that are super cool. And in the meantime, let's quickly jump to social media designer. So let's say uh, two celebrities discussing new trends of technology, something like that. It's a very simple prompt, and let's try to enhance this prompt as well so that it writes it down properly. Then you can select different types of options, let's say Instagram post and modern. See, these options are not necessary to select, okay?
Okay.
But if there are users that are more advanced and more that they require, certain outputs to be extracted from that, then in that case you
So
should use that.
will those settings override your original prompt?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Can you see the logo,
Oh, cool.
the road project?
Yes.
See that. So since I put that, it's a construction and highway industry. See that
Nice.
how nicely it generated and took out my industry consideration,
Cool. It's like a
right?
construction as well. Yeah. Like the font is
Yes.
a construction. Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
That's what I'm saying. Like the tool is amazing. Like it generates classic outputs at all times. And let's see this prompt, what it will do. So sometimes it takes a while because the image sizes generated by the AI are bigger. But if you refresh the page, then sometimes it loads faster. Yeah. So this is going to load, and we gave the system a prompt of two celebrities discussing the new
So
trends of technology, something like that, right? So it looks like a high-tech world in the background and the two celebrities are here, right? So
Nice.
I think you already know the drill, how system works. Similarly, we can go on with different things. Let me show you one more just example of product showcase.
Yeah. So
And
these are
for that,
all different kind of tools with all different purposes, right?
yes,
exactly.
yes, yes, exactly. So what we did here is if you belong to e-commerce, we have some tools created specifically for e-commerce. If you are an online seller who is selling, let's say, on Etsy or on Amazon or on any other marketplaces like Redbubble or POD, print on demand, we have specific tools for you. So we try to solve actually individual use cases for each and every industry that can be helped, that can be very helpful for the individuals working in that particular industry. So let me show you this example, product
Yeah.
showcase. So for that, let's download an image, maybe designer mug, okay, something like that. I will just pick up any random example.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's say this is my example, and I'm gonna grab this image. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this image has this two elephants showing. Let me just go there in the product showcase and select this image from here. Now you will be amazed what it can do from prompt here. Let me say a lady holding the cup in her hands.
Oh, cool.
It's as simple as that. Yeah.
Mm.
So product type, it's a mug. Then holding style in hands, and maybe she is sitting. Okay. And background can be cinematic, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So lighting, it's up to you. And all these options, as you can see here, are not
Mm-hmm.
mandatory, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's click on generate image and see if it actually solves the purpose of this e-commerce industry.
Nice. So
Imagine you
you
have
can have all your product images. You load them up to Flaxxa Studios, and you can create perfect
exactly,
models holding your
exactly,
products. Nice.
yeah,
And
yeah,
now you can show
and
the
see the
previous
last,
one. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, see the last output. Isn't it
Nice.
amazing?
Looks good. Very good.
Yep. Let's see this one now. Can you see?
Oh, nice.
A
Wow.
lady holding the exact same cup in her hands,
That looks
and
good.
she is sitting as well,
Mm.
right? And look at the background, the lighting, and all the cinematic experience that we said the tool should follow, right?
Very
So it
nice. Very
focused,
nice.
yeah, yeah, it focused on the product, and it exactly followed our instructions on how we wanted it to exactly do it. Yeah.
Mm.
So there are many, many tools out there. Like I said, if
Yeah.
we gonna go with each of the tool, it's gonna take at
You're
least
gonna
30 more
you're gonna
minutes.
you're gonna show them all tomorrow?
Yes, yes, sure.
Oh, really?
We are
Wow.
going to show. Yeah.
Wow.
And we have the avatar builder, the animal designer. So if you
Mm.
have a home, if you have some animal like dog, cat, or something at home, you can also style it differently. Like make them wear clothes, make them appear on the Christmas market. So you can do,
Your own dog.
yes, yes, your own dog.
So it's okay. Cool.
Yeah.
So that's similar to consistent characters, but then for dogs or animals.
Okay. Since we are on call, let me show you one more thing. Yeah. But this is going to be my last one. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Let
So
me show
guys,
you one.
if you see
This
this and
is them.
you want to see all the examples, make sure to join that webinar tomorrow. So far, what I've seen is pretty cool already. But yeah, these are very good too. Oh, this is us. Okay, cool.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are in the interview. We met last year in Dubai, so I'm gonna
Yes,
recreate memory somehow. Yeah.
nice.
Okay, lighting. I like cinematic more.
Hmm.
So a scene in Dubai near Burj
Khalifa.
Khalifa, something like that.
Okay, and it's gonna take the picture of
Yeah.
us.
Yes.
That's very nice. Curious to see what this is becoming.
Like every other AI,
Hmm.
this is also experimental, but
Hmm.
we have tried our best to make sure that every single tool and every single prompt works out in the exact same way how we
Hmm.
tried to do it. Yeah.
Hmm.
So I'm hoping that this is going to give a fantastic output.
Well, let's see.
Yeah. And
Oh,
you
there it
can
is.
also, yeah, it's almost there. And you can also generate these kind of social media graphics and creatives
Hmm.
from this. So it
Nice.
can write text, it can design things, it can explain the concepts. So plenty of options are there.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the different tools that you see.
Yes.
Nice. All right, so we paused the video and back, and the image is ready. So I'm curious to see, Rahul.
Wow.
That's
Look at this. Look at this.
oh wow, that's a cool image, man.
And look at the details, man. Like the sun is there. It's Burj Khalifa is
Cinematic.
there. Yeah, and it's
Wow,
all such nice experience with these tools.
wow, this looks cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Rahul, I don't
I'm
know
all
if you can grab,
I'm all excited,
Rahul,
guys.
I don't know if you can grab the images I shared with you on Teams, but I mean, if you can show those, would be great because they were nice. I created them through the tool. They were amazing.
Well, you can let me
Yeah.
pause the video. Let's grab them and show them, Rahul. Let me pause the video. Oh, okay, there we go. There are the images. So can you show them?
Yes.
Oh, well, you can press spacebar, I think, on Mac. Oh, yeah, you already have it. Oh,
Yeah,
that's the
perfect.
picture you talked about, Firas.
Yeah. So yeah, I was doing the prompt. I was like, I told it, give me like two luxury car brands made
Hmm,
by Mansouri in 2090 in Dubai next to Burj Al Arab, and that's what I
nice,
got. And it was, I mean, you look at this and it's just amazing. What the
nice.
hell? Yeah. So that's something I wanted to show, but I couldn't because I'm not sharing my screen.
Yeah,
So
nice.
thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, you had
And
another
there's
one as
another
well.
one, the dog one. Yeah. So it was a prompt. It was we have a category. I think it's the pet prompting, right? Animal prompt. So I was like, give me this dog having a cigar and his royal, and I got this guy.
Nice,
uh, they're amazing images, honestly.
awesome.
I couldn't. I mean, if I go and do an actual prompt myself, I wouldn't get this out. You know what I mean?
Mm,
So the tool
yeah,
saves a lot of time. Uh,
yeah. Yeah, that's what I like about the prompt optimizer. Like you just type a little small sentence and then you press that optimize button and it creates the whole full prompt for you with all the details, etc. So that's pretty cool. Man, I love what you showed so far, Rahul. I can't wait to dive into it myself and do some tests with some cool images. But yeah, if you want to learn more about this product, we just showed you, well, how many tools did we show today? Like 5 tools or something? If you want to
yeah, out
see
of
them all,
75.
I can't imagine that you're going to show 70 tools tomorrow, Rahul, but it's your words. Oh, somebody's
Yeah.
getting called here. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of this and if you want to get early access, there's also, I assume there's a best price tomorrow when they join the webinar. First, guide us through why should they join tomorrow? Tell us a little bit more.
Well,
What's the time?
first of all, they're going to learn everything from A to Z, see it in action, ask us questions live. We're going to show them a lot of opportunities that they're going to be able to make money out of it, even if they're not designers and
Mm,
never thought about actually designing or creating an agency. Second of all, they get a discount, a $50 coupon on this special webinar. Plus, 5 people will get a chance to win the front end for free.
okay,
It's
cool.
based on engagement.
Mm,
And 3 will have a chance to win $50 each. It's really based on engagement. So the more you're
mhm,
engaged, you're gonna win. And
mm,
people that buy the bundle and win the front end will refund them the front end money.
mm.
You know what I mean?
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
So it's important when you join the webinar, just ask questions, reply to Rahim in this case, who's going to do the webinar with you together. Firas, you will also be there, and of course Rahul, you will be there as well.
Yes.
Yeah. We're all
All
gonna be
right.
there. But me
So
and Raheem are gonna showcase everything tomorrow. Yeah.
nice, nice. What's the time, date?
10 a.m. in the morning. I do suggest they come 15 minutes earlier.
Mhm.
Yep.
So at 10 a.m. tomorrow, it's the 7th of October, Tuesday. Make sure you'll be there. You'll be able to ask questions as well. You get the discount coupon and more. So make sure you'll be there. Is there anything else you'd like to share, guys, to
Well,
wrap
the
up this
reason
interview?
the reason we do the webinar is to show them on the webinar, so they should attend the webinar, and we take it from there.
Oh, all right. Well, guys, thank you so much for your time. And Rahul, thank you so much for showing us the demo. And guys, can't wait to see you there tomorrow. And if you see this video and you're on YouTube, of course, you know it, right? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. For now, thank you so much for watching. Check out the link below the video and talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Cheers.